Hi, SarahMo here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have collated all of the rabbit series posts into one video here for all those new beginners out there. You've got cast on, knit, purl, decrease, increase and bind off. So hopefully that will get you started on your knitting journey. Please feel free to give me more suggestions, but there's lots more stuff coming. Enjoy. One of cast on is to create your loop. So take your right hand and take the yarn over the left and bring that yarn through and pull through, and that is your loop. Stick your needle in there and pull. Now we're going to get our hands in position, so you're going to take the yarn and wrap it clockwise around your little finger and clockwise around your thumb. That is your left hand. Now for your right hand, you're going to go anti-clockwise and you're going to wrap that around, and now your hands are in position. So step 2 is to cast on. So what you're going to do is stick your needle in there and bring that loop around the needle and pull. Again, you're going to wrap that yarn around your thumb, you're going to stick your needle in, you're going to pull that yarn around the needle and pull through. Down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. Down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. Under the fence, the bunny hops, pull through the loop, bunny on top. Under the fence, the bunny hops, pull through the loop, bunny on top. Bunnies side by side, down the rabbit hole they go. 2 bunnies side by side, down the rabbit hole they go. 2 bunnies side by side, up the rabbit hole they go. 2 bunnies side by side, up the rabbit hole they go. Make 1, which is an additional stitch. So knit your stitch as normal, which is down the rabbit hole around the tree. Then you're going to look for the little loop underneath. That's a little fence. So down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. So just as you would knit your normal stitch. Again, just knit your stitch and then look for the little loop underneath. Down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. This is the easiest way to make one. The downside is it just creates a bit more of a little hole. So making one on the purl side is just purl your stitches normal. So onto the fence, the bunny hops, pull through the loop, bunny on top. Now you're going to look for that little loop between the 2 stitches. So again, under the fence, the bunny hops, pull through the loop, bunny on top. So bind off, I tend to call it cast off, but all the pattern books say bind off, so we'll stick with bind off. Well, what we'll do is we're going to knit our stitch as normal. So, and keep that quite loose, and note that we're doing it on the right side, not the wrong side. So that's your right side, and your cast off will always be on the right side. It just leaves it a really nice and even top. So knit your second stitch, and then what I want you to do is just bring that stitch over the top of your other stitch as if the bunny is just jumping the fence. So again, knit that stitch and keep it quite loose, and then bring that stitch over the top. Knit the stitch and bring that stitch over, and that is as difficult as the bind off gets.